You feel like you're going to be a career VC? Do
you
think?
know, I'll definitely try. And
Yeah.
I'll also say that there's definitely, you definitely have a better chance of being a career VC once you've reached kind of the VP or principal level.
Mhm.
It's much easier to make a case for you being around, because at this stage, you're starting to sit on boards of companies.
Right.
You're starting to either have the power to write small checks yourself, or people are very much asking for your opinion, you know, in terms of whether checks should be written or not, because you've really like led the diligence or the thought leadership on that particular industry that you're looking at.
Yep.
And so at this point, you start to be very different in what you bring to the table from an analyst or an associate who's worked in a VC for 2-3 years, in terms of just the quality of work and experience that you've done.